How many hours have you wasted debugging failed webhook deliveries at 2 a.m. because your retry logic turned into a distributed denial of service attack against your own API? The webhook system pack gives you atomic event dispatching with item potency keys, exponential backoff with jittered intervals, HMAC SHA-256 signature validation with clock skew tolerance, and Prometheus metrics baked in. Whether you're a Node.js engineer fighting with Express middleware, a Go backend dev wrestling with concurrency, or a cloud architect designing event driven architectures, this pack turns your webhook nightmares into SLA guarantees. No PhD in distributed systems required. Here's what's inside the webhook system pack: Smart Event Dispatcher with Redis backed queuing, exponential backoff engine with customizable retry ceilings, HMAC verification middleware with automatic secret rotation, real-time dashboard with Grafana integration, security layer with IP allow listing and rate limiting. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool, it's your webhook operations command center. Installing the webhook system pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add webhook-system-pack. That's it. You get the complete workflow: event schema validation, delivery status tracking, security middleware, and monitoring stack. When your next Claude Code session loads, your AI assistant becomes a webhook expert, knowing retry strategies, signature verification patterns, and observability best practices. No more duct tape solutions or midnight pager duty alerts, just rock solid webhooks that work like your coffee addiction, reliably unstoppable.